Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to get a free StockX promo code for discounts on your next sneakers or streetwear purchase. To get started, head over to easycoupon.co/StockX, or you can just scan the QR code on the screen to go straight to the site. Once you're there, enter your email address so the promo code can be sent directly to your inbox. I'll type mine in to show you how easy it is. Next, select your device, Apple or Android, and click Continue. The site will begin generating your StockX promo code instantly. To finish up, there's a quick verification step. You'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are reputable, popular apps, completely free, and with millions of downloads, so they're safe to use. After downloading, open each app and use it for about a minute. Some apps may prompt you to complete a small task, like reaching level 9 in a game or completing a quick survey. Don't worry, this is totally worth it, as it verifies you're human and ensures your code is sent directly to your email. I'll speed things up here with some background music so you can see the process without the wait. All done. Now, let's check my inbox. And there it is, my StockX promo code. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and enjoy your savings on StockX.